In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under liquid and solid as states of matter. So we have 8 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. First one I have here says, which of the following statements about liquids is or are true? So we have the first one, liquids maintain their volume at constant temperature. This is correct. Liquids have fixed shape. No, liquids don't have fixed shape. Is solids that have fixed shape, where liquids do not diffuse. This is wrong. Liquid can diffuse. Change in pressure affects volume of liquids. This is wrong. Change in pressure does not affect volume of liquids. So the only true one we have here is I. Liquids maintain their volume at constant temperature. So the right option is option B. Next repeated question will be this one. It says the vapor pressure of a liquid depends on temperature, rate of condensation, cohesive forces holding the particles together. So the right option is this one that has temperature and cohesive forces holding the particles together. I only option C. Alright, the next question will be this one. So it says they postulate that molecules are in a constant random motion. Best explains why liquids can undergo solidification, have no characteristic shape, are incompressible, maintain their volume. So the right option is option A. It explains why liquids can undergo solidification. Alright, so next question will be this one. It says the boiling point of pentane is higher than that of propane because pentane has more covalent bonds to break. Yeah, this is the right option. This the first one here. The intermolecular forces in pentane are stronger than those of propane. This is not right. Pentane does not bond easily as propane. This is not the right option. Carbon-carbon single bonds are stronger than carbon-hydrogen bond nodes. So the right option is option A. Next subject question with this one, it says, which of the following statements about solids is correct? Solids particles cannot be easily compressed. Yeah, guys, this is just the right answer to this question. Solids have lower density than liquids. Not the right option. Solids particles are less orderly than those of a liquid. This is not the right one. Solid particles have greater kinetic energy than those of liquid. So guys, the right option is option A. Alright, next question with this one. It says the vapor pressure of a liquid depends on, I think I answered this question already. It depends on temperature and cohesive forces holding the particles together. I on option B. The next question will be this one. It says the vapor pressure of a given volume of liquid increases when the liquid becomes saturated with a salt. Temperature of the liquid rises. Volume of the liquid increases. Temperature of the liquid falls. The right option is when the temperature of the liquid rises. The right option B. Last question before I end this video will be this one. It says, which of the following statements about volatile liquids is correct? They have high vapor pressure and high boiling point. No. Low vapor pressure and low boiling point. No. Low vapor pressure and high boiling point. No. High vapor pressure and low boiling point. Yes. So the right option here is option D. So this basically can do problems involving liquid and solid as state of matter for your chemistry practice with 8 repeated questions for this video. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you're new to this channel, ensure that you're subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be getting premium information and help you to excel in your next exam for writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the next button and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.